Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Your Kitchen, Your Rule. I am Dipti and I make video on cooking and living. Today we are going to make peanut butter cookies but in a healthy way. We are going to make peanut butter cookies by using wheat flour. But before we start, please consider to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I will upload a new recipe. So now let's start. The ingredients you will need are 1/2 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. Now packed brown sugar means you have to press the sugar in the measuring cup and then take it. 1/2 cup of castor sugar, 1/2 cup peanut butter, 1 cup whole wheat flour and 1/2 teaspoon each baking powder and baking soda. Now in a big bowl, take butter, brown sugar and castor sugar and mix it well until you will get that creamy texture. Mix really very well because the sugar crystals will not get dissolved while baking and you can chew it in your cookies which you will not like. I am using electric hand blender here, but you can definitely use wooden spoon or hand whisk, whatever you have. But make sure that you incorporate all the things well. I am scraping the side with the spatula and mix it again. Now I am adding peanut butter to the mixture. This one is creamy one and now I am incorporating all the things. Don't forget to scrape the sides in between. And now on this stage the mixture looks creamy and light. Now add wheat flour, baking soda and baking powder and mix it well with spatula and then beat it. But don't overbeat the mixture. And our cookie dough is ready. I am putting it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes so that the dough get firm and we can shape our cookies. Now I am lining up parchment paper to a baking dish. You can also use butter paper or foil. Now to make equal size of cookies, I am using tablespoon. I am making small balls out of each portion. To make cookies smooth, take out the dough from the fridge and put it on a kitchen counter for few minutes. Now take a fork and make the traditional impression of a peanut butter cookie. Just gently press the fork on the cookie and swipe. Then do it as a crisscross style. If any cookie cracks while doing so, just lightly press the crack and put the dough together. Bake the cookies into the preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes or until they have light brown color. Don't get tempted to overbake. Just keep the baking dish at a side for 10 minutes. Don't try to pick up any cookies. And after 10 minutes, gently transfer them on the cooling rack. Cookies have butter in them, so they are soft when they are warm. It will get hard when completely cooled down.